Start with chapter 7, alternating current, class 12 physics. First is what is alternating current. Alternating current is that current which continuously changes in magnitude and periodically reverses direction. ये क्या अपना magnitude change करती है, upper direction है, ये क्या reverse direction, then upper then reverse. That means it continuously changes in magnitude and periodically reverses direction starting from 0, then upper value is peak value. Now half is pi by 2, then complete is pi, then 3 pi by 2, 2 pi, 5 pi by 2, etc. Where E equals to E naught sin omega t. E naught क्या होता है? Peak value, and omega is angular frequency and omega t is in phase. So E equals to E naught sin omega t and I equals to I naught sin omega t. Now mean or average value of alternating current. The mean value of alternating current or voltage over one complete cycle is 0. For one complete cycle के लिए क्या होगा? 0. So I am for mean or average value of alternating current integration 0 to t I naught sin omega t dt divided by 0 to t dt equals to 0, or V average equals to V naught sin omega t dt and 0 to t dt equals to 0. For average value of alternating current over any half cycle. For half cycle क्या होगा? Steady current होगा which would send same amount of charge through the circuit. Same amount of charge होगा but time क्या होगा? Half cycle. Half cycle होगी, that is for t by 2 is sent by alternating current through the same circuit in the same time. So I average equals to 2 I naught divided by pi, which is equals to 0.637 I naught, or for alternating voltage we have 0.637 V naught. For root mean square value of alternating current, in root square value of steady current which would generate same amount of heat in a resistance in a given time. Same amount of time में क्या होगा? Same amount of heat जो generate होगी done by alternating current pass through same resistance of same time represented होती है RMS root mean square value, effective value बोल सकते हैं, V भी बोल सकते हैं. Then IV equals to I naught by under root 2 which is equals to 0.707 I naught, and for alternating voltage VRMS equals to V naught divided by under root 2 equals to 0.707 V naught. Alternating current through a pro resistor. In resistor we have a resistance R. Here we have a alternating current E naught, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi, 5 pi by 2, 3 pi. E equals to E naught sin omega t. Here I equals to current equals to E by R. Then putting here we get E naught by R sin omega t. I equals to I naught sin omega t, where I equals to E naught by R and R equals to E naught by I naught. Here EMF and current are both are in same phase. In pure inductor, here inductor L, we have E naught and I naught. E equals to E naught sin omega t. Induced EMF in inductor क्या होगा? माइनस L di by dt. So जो करंट का फ्लो होगा, in order to maintain the flow of current, applied EMF must be equal and opposite to induced current. So therefore we left E equals to L bracket di by dt. So I equals to integration E naught by L sin omega t dt. I equals to E naught by omega square minus cos omega t. So we get I equals to I naught sin omega t minus pi by 2, where I equals to E naught by omega L and x equals to omega L equals to E naught by I naught.